So the juices of the meat kind of caramelize on the bottom. You're going to get a really brown look, and I'm going to leave it there. You're going to flip, and just leave it there for several minutes until the meat gets nice and brown. Then I will turn it over and do the same on the other side. Once the meat is very brown, then I'll remove it and I can add in all of my aromatic vegetables. So we'll just take a moment to do this. So I've browned both sides of the meat, and as you can see, it's really gorgeous brown.